can you start with a starter? Can we have the comedy teams coming in through from 14? So all the way from 14, that's what we expect, and then the preceding days, we'll have the auto show taking place 15th and 16th. So that whole weekend is a weekend of fun. It's a weekend for enthusiasts out there to be able to come out and have a good time. And that's why we're partnering this with the comedy store.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Christopher. Next to me here is a gentleman called Isaac. Isaac is from Success Motors. Success Motors has also been a good partner to us for the last 1 year. They've come in at all the times we've called them to come and support. And actually, when we also told them about this noble cause that we're here for, Diamond Platnumz Live in Kampala, they were like, we are on. So, Isaac, you're most welcome, sir.
Thank you so much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Isaac Marunda, and I'm manager of Success Motors. Success Motors is a company that sells cars here in Uganda. It's the #1 company. We also do car hire, so for those of you who want to do self-drive around, you can always come. Why partnering with Comedy Store? I think Comedy Store is the most organized show when you come to realize. Very organized. And secondly, and most important, they have developed talent. From young boys who are nothing, who are too small, and are now so big and so sound in Uganda here. So really, Comedy Store has done a great job into the youth of Uganda. We shall not stop supporting you. We shall always support where necessary. You know, when you become a celebrity, all you need is to have a very nice car first, I think. That's why we are here. We want to see you driving very nice cars. We will support you as Success Motors to achieve that dream of having a nice car. We have very good discounts for all our comedians, all our artists who always come around. Feel free, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Isaac. I told you it gets quite interesting because when you have the auto show gentleman on the podium, then you have Success Motors. I think this is a partnership made in heaven. Next, I'll have Simon. Simon is from Fortbet. Fortbet has also come on board as our partners. They've been supporting us in the back end, but now they really decided they are coming to the forefront because of the noble cause. You're most welcome, Simon.
Thank you. Morning, everyone. My name is Bujuche Simon. I'm a representative from Fortbet, Uganda. And as you might know, Alex Muhangi is our ambassador. And we've had a very good working relationship with Alex Muhangi. Alex Muhangi, whenever called upon, he's always available to us. He's traveled the whole of Uganda representing Fortbet, and that's one of the reasons we're coming on board to support this noble cause where Comedy Store Foundation is trying to help and build talent. So we are glad to be part of this event, and we call upon everyone who loves Fortbet, everyone who's a customer of Fortbet, and everyone who loves Alex Muhangi to be present at the event, and we believe it's going to be a successful event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Simon. Thank you very much. There were a couple of other sponsors on board who have not happened to be with us here. There's Mestil Hotel. They have not managed to be with us, but we thank them for their support. We have Uganda Airlines as well. They have not managed to be here, but we thank them for their support. Like everybody has said, people out there come support the noble cause. It's not just a show of Diamond Platnumz Live in Kampala. It's not just a show where you need to come and see MC Mariachi perform on stage, but it's a show where a noble cause is supported. The Comedy Store Foundation. Right about now, I'll invite questions from you, the journalists, and we'll take them as they come. Thank you. Anybody with a question? Yeah.
Good morning, my name is Benjamin. The July 2019 show of the same person, Diamond Platnumz live in Kampala, with this one of 2023. And then also we actually need to appreciate the way you shaped the way comedy is done in Uganda. I think I hardly see comedians using vulgar language in your show. So, but then there's one thing that still remains, which is comedians begging money from fans. Well, to you comedians, it might look comedy, but then the audience out there might not take it in good faith. So, are we still seeing that happening in this particular show? And then, lastly, to you, Alex. Okay. We have seen actually the poster of actually included Diamond Platnumz from Tanzania and then Nameless from Kenya. So were you trying to balance these countries, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, or what country were you using? And then lastly to the auto show representative. What is the auto show exactly doing in this particular show?
Thank you very much. I think he asked about 4 questions. We'll first maybe take those out of the way, then we'll get others.
Thank you, Benja, from Chief Reports. There's no big difference between this fundraiser and the normal comedy store shows that we do. The only difference is that probably it's going to be at Kololo Airstrip, and it's a fundraiser. It's different from the normal comedy store show. We're trying to see how we can become better. We're looking for support. That's the difference. You mentioned about vulgarity. Are we going to find it there? MC Mariage is not going. Let me tell you, it's a question we meet all day. That people who watch the live show, we did research. You see, these comedians, when they're coming to perform, they are paid to make people laugh. And when a comedian does a dirty joke, the audience laughs more than when he's doing clean content, biblical content, whatever it is. So when you pay someone to make people laugh, and then they come on stage and they start 1, 2, 3, 4 jokes, and it's not coming well. Even them on stage, they're like, and then he says it, and then people laugh. So to them, the comfortability is on that side. But we're trying to fight it. We tried our level best. If you watch on TV or on social media, we cannot put those jokes. We left them to the live audience. Even when a comedian is coming on stage, we give them, say, you're going to perform for 15 minutes, we need 8 minutes of clean performance, TV content. Then after the remaining minutes, you can jam, you can collect whatever, you can do what you want to do. So we're trying to fight it, though the live audience is also fighting us. I hope I make it clear. Then the other question was, you asked about Nameless, why we added Nameless. Diamond Nameless looks like we're trying to create something in East Africa. I'm sure you needed someone from Rwanda. No, these guys are our friends. Nameless has been to our show a couple of times. Diamond was here in 2019. They're our friends. So when we were doing a fundraiser, we reached out to everyone. People from Rwanda, King James, Bruce Melody, and these guys said, no, we're coming to support. So probably next time when we have budgets, we shall go to Rwanda as well. But these guys are coming to support our fundraiser. That's why we considered them. Thank you. Then I'll leave Mr. Muna to take on the question about the auto show.
Thank you very much. Okay. So the auto show is a marketplace for exhibition of everything automotive. what we have is that whatever you use as an automotive gets you where you want to go. It's an enabler of movement. I'm sure you got here using one form of an automotive, right? And then on top of that, it's an enabler of business. The same people that we appeal to in the community, the car enthusiasts, the car lovers, the car dealers, like my friend Success Motors here, are the same possible people that make up the target market for a comedy show like we're having. These are your same people. The event is taking place at Kololo Independence Grounds. I am 100% sure you're going to use a form of automotive to get there. And we are in this to support Alex and team, the Comedy Store Foundation. There are other things we are partnering with them on doing, and this was just one of them where we say, these are our same people, how do we support, how do we be one with them and see to it that they have a successful event. And that's what we are trying to do, to make sure that we grow their side as much as they help us in other ways. The auto show has evolved over the years, and you realize that what we have as an auto show entails entertainment. So even at the auto show, we have a full stage by the same provider. We have a full stage. Even at the auto show, we still have the same stage. We have the same partners that we collaborate on very many things. For example, Uganda Airlines. It's one of the biggest collaborators that we have for the auto show. I'm sure you want to ask how that also comes in. But this is to show that the target market is the same, and we have no reason as why we should not jump on a good cause for the community. I want to remember
when we started this Muhangi, remember that was around 2015, 16. We had few comedians in the country, but now I can tell you have a variety of them, from those who have already left the country, from the Mighty family to Madrat and Chico. Who knew years back that Madrat and Chico could stage a serious show in a serious venue years later? But we had the dream and we gave them the platform. I just want to thank you for the talent you've brought in, right from the Tomatoes to Sunny and Shower, the latest we have in the comedy industry. It's not something so easy, but that's a sign of appreciation to you, Kalera and Muhangi. Thank you very much. My question is, yes, we are talking about, you've called it a fundraising show. I do believe Diamond Platnumz is one of the most expensive artists in East Africa. We need money, but you're paying him expensively to come and perform. Of course, with Nameless, amongst Ugandan artists, with Nwaja and the rest, mariachis and the rest, I thought maybe we could minimize our costs for the show so that we get the money to look out for new talents out there than probably bringing in big names. I don't know. Just need to tell me about that, because I'd seen so many, like Diamond is the most expensive artist now, but you decided to go in for him. Nzenge yakola economics. Naba the cost of production even more than the profits expected. Tell me about that. You get the resume, eh?
Nze Mako, kibuzo kyange ekisooka kigenda wa Kalera. Mutugambye kiri okozesa this charity concert kubeera nga mufunamu ku ssente ezigenda okuyambako okulaba nga mujjayo ebitone ebyenjawulo mu bakomedian. Naye kibuzo kyange kigamba nti bwe mumala okubayita wano ne mubasunsula ne mulondamu obadde platform tugeze obakadde baze ba performance ki ekiddako eri obulamu bwabwe. Kuba ebirundi bingi tulabye abantu bangi nga babaleeta ku big stage babawanika then babalekaawo era tabaawo kye babongerako ng'abayimbi. Then ekyokusatu nange ekyange kirifaalinga ku kyawako okwata Diamond n'omugatako Nameless n'oba ne lisiti y'abayimbi nga bawinwaji nga bangi. Tokirowoozaamu nti kyalibadde kirungi at least singa wagikoze eri charity naye nga otegese bayimbi abali loko wano aba Uganda noba nga okendezaako ku ssente ze walibadde oteekamu kusinga nga bwogenda okuba nga okikoze oba basically wayagadde kukyusaamu bantu kubaleeta beetezi ku Diamond bale ku Diamond ng'abadde aludde since 2019.
Thank you. I think let's first take those. Alex, the questions from Mr. Wako and him, it's actually one question. I think what they're trying to look at is the economic implication of having Diamond and all these other artists for a charity show. Maybe you can.
That's a good question coming from both of you, Marco and Wako. Listen, we like I told you earlier that when we were choosing which artists we can have on board for this fundraiser, we talked to every musician, every comedian, every artist. All of these guys are our friends. We were a comedy story and these are the people who got back to us. Okay,